this says WH Westcott's SPH11R geared scroll combination chuck. And underneath it, it says patented. It's hard to see, but it says it does say patented, but there's dates are not visible because it looks like it was not stamped squarely. But that's what it is. 10-inch model SPIIR. Okay, well today I fixed my WH Westcott Chuck. This is the part I put in. I got 4 of them with the chuck. This is what was in there. It's stuck way up out of the way. It's out of balance and dangerous. The outside thread diameter was 117 thousandths larger on this one, but the inner thread diameter was almost identical. So I imagine they probably just cut a rough thread and machined them to fit every one of them, because the other 3 are all different sizes too, but the critical dimensions being shaft diameter, inner diameter of the thread and the piece, and the length here to here are the same on all of them. The only thing that's different is the outer diameter is just a little bit off on all of them. And this is what happens to them. You know, this one's getting there. Fortunately, I got another one. But I got to looking more about this thing, and this is what's called a geared scroll chuck. And it's got some writing on it. It says WH Westcott SPIIP geared scroll combination chuck. There's a patent on it, but there's dates illegible. Pretty sure she was made in 1918. But how this works, and this is the original factory wrench, so is that. This runs a gear on the scroll. You can use the wrench or the square, but that gear runs on this, and this wrench right here fits in the back of there, and it turns. Now, you can only turn this with this wrench so much, but it works really good to tighten stuff down. But if you use the back, like you saw a second ago, it's dramatically faster. And now it works good. Probably clean it up some more. It's covered in that grease protective stuff. Gotta get down inside of it and clean it some more. But that's what it is. WH Westcott geared scroll combination chuck. Lathe was made in 1917. Says the chuck says 1918. That's about the era this chuck was produced. So I wouldn't be a bit surprised if it was sold new with this lathe, or near new. One piece of damage lines right up with that. That's nothing compared to some of the lathes I've seen. That tells me it's been on there a long, long time. So, thanks for watching this. And leave a comment if you want. Have you ever seen one of these things? Here's an extra question. What is the most important tool in this picture?